How are you feeling?
I'm pretty good, and yourself?
Okay, I'm good, yeah. Welcome to Phanganist.com. Today I'm here with Luca from Smiley Nutrition, and we are here to talk about fasting.
Indeed. Yes, fasting is what I do, and it's a period of time when people decide to abstain from food, and it has many benefits, both physically as well as psychologically and emotionally. And
When did you become interested in fasting? When did it start with you?
Well, I have a story of transformation. So I used to be based in London in the UK. I used to work in finance, and after many years, my lifestyle was not sustainable anymore.
Okay.
So I started, doing yoga and looking after my health more, and I retrained as a nutritional therapist. And I got into fasting as part of it. Then, of course, moving to Koh Phangan, I was able to secure a job with 2 different detox centers over 2 years. And that's where I saw hundreds and hundreds of people going through fasting programs and getting all the benefits that fasting offers.
So the interest in fasting came after your nutritional training?
Yes, absolutely, yes. So when I decided to move from, a profession and an interest in life towards more of, looking at healthcare and, just looking for a more balanced, happy, healthy lifestyle, that's when I got into fasting, yes.
Okay, so people abstain for food for different periods of time, depending on how it works. What are the benefits and what do people gain through putting their body through a fast?
Absolutely. So there are lots of papers, scientific papers, lots of research available these days. And you see that when you stop eating food, after a couple of days, there are lots of metabolic changes in the body. So hormones get upregulated and downregulated, particularly insulin. So that triggers lots of healing across the body. So fasting is very good for your gut if you have problem with your digestion, because you're leaving some space to heal and repair. Then it's very good for cardiovascular issues. If you have high cholesterol or dyslipidemia, it's called. So too much fat in the bloodstream. If you have problem with hypertension, for instance, it's also good if you are, of course, to lose fat, and it's very good for your immune system, and it's good against oxidation, which is a natural process in the body that ages the body.
Okay.
So fasting rejuvenates you, basically, and you can see it because when people come out of fasting programs, sometimes they get a bit of a glow. They look very vibrant and much healthier than before. So it's
Someone once explained it to me as giving your body a break to be able to recognize some issues that it has, which then it can fix kind of on its own.
It's called autophagy and apoptosis, so that's when the body indeed is pushed to look for problems, so even cancerous cells, and breaks them down. And it's a wonderful process that the body does. It's self-healing at its best.
Why is a Koh Phangan? Obviously, you can see online and posters, lots of detox places do fasting. Why is Koh Phangan a good place to do it?
I think it's a great place, Koh Phangan, because the best way to fast is to couple it with holistic therapies, yoga, some sort of, therapies and healing modalities that can help sort of relax and also help reconnect with yourself. So if you want to do fasting and you want to do it, as part of a holiday in Koh Phangan, where you come and you're looked after, you're pampered, etc. Plus, there are healing modalities in Koh Phangan. Koh Phangan is becoming a hub for that internationally. So different types of yoga, you have craniosacral massage, Reiki, sound healing, inner dance. You have so many things going on here that coupled with fasting really can bring your soul out a little bit.
And how do you do your fasting workshops? The time, how are they different to other people's, and how does it work?
So the methodology is very well established. So typically, I tweak it slightly depending on your needs. But generally speaking, there are 3 coconut waters a day, 1 or 2 green juices a day, and a range of supplements. So it's a very simple way of doing it. And because I love running fasting programs and I have lots of experience doing that, I really see people going through, the bit of a roller coaster emotionally and physically, and coming out at the end really feeling with a new spring in their legs, literally. It's a wonderful thing to apply to people, and it's very simple. It's so simple, it doesn't involve taking anything specific. You just abstain from food and having a little bit of coconut water with electrolytes and maybe 1 or 2 juices. Add a little bit of nutrition, makes the fast smoother and a little easier. Still very effective.
And they get the support from you when times are tough, right?
So absolutely, there is full support from the beginning to the end. So I provide the methodology, the program, the guidance, and also depending if you're coming on one of my 5-day community fasts, you're going to have a community around you, so you're going to fast with other people. And on the 6th of June, I have a fasting and yoga retreat in Koh Phangan as well. So again, you have the community, so the feeling of other people going through the same experience, which is really wonderful.
And leave us with your Smiley Nutrition philosophy.
Okay, the body has everything that it needs to keep fit, healthy and happy. We just need to create the environment and the lifestyle to be able to thrive as individuals. That's what I believe.
Okay, thank you very much, Luca.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
So I went back to Houthi for my band. Would you proof and disappear like some of my